first trail ride of the year. Rick and I are getting out. We were going to be joined by somebody else, but plans got changed, so we'll try and hook up with him another time. But that'll be fun, though. That'll be a joint video when that does happen. Just me and the dog this weekend, and we're just going to go and kind of explore some areas that's not really any big trails that we're doing. We're just going to explore some areas that we haven't really been to. Whenever we go to the George Washington National Forest, we kind of always stick to the Union Springs area, and just kind of looking at the GPS, there's a lot of trails that we don't ever really touch. So, plus this will be the maiden voyage for Rick's new trailer. We're going to kind of see how that thing handles as well. So this will be a fun weekend, because we're probably going to be getting into camp a little bit late tonight. It's probably going to be dark. We've got kind of a late start on the road. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's much clearer. We're driving up into some pretty dense fog right now, going up and over the Shenandoah Mountains. We got to our camping spot after dark and hastily set up camp in the rain. It's raining. This would be my first night spent in my 23-0 swag. The next morning, we woke up and got to actually look around where we were camped at. After breakfast and coffee, while hiding from the rain under the awning, we broke camp and moved on with our exploration. After searching the area on our GPSs, we found a marker labeled Rock Lick Spring. The George Washington National Forest is filled with these winding, unmaintained shelf roads that wrap around mountains, leading you up and down ravines. You could easily spend a week in this region and rarely see pavement, only needing to leave for fuel and supplies. That's the end of this road, so now
I'm okay with not going through a closed gate.
Yeah, me too. After confirming that this road was not private property, we decided to continue on foot past the gate. Yeah, perfect. Easy. And keep going. You got a little bit more space if you need it.
Well, it's not a pull top, so it's...
I don't think this is a spring. I think that's just a spot where the creek is leveled out. But I don't know, it's kind of deep right there. On the map it shows that this is the creek, right? And then there's a line that comes from the spring and feeds down into the creek. And the GPS isn't going to be necessarily accurate to the T.
Yeah.
So on the GPS, like where we're standing right now is right where the spring is. Hey, what are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no, your feet are getting wet. Okay, come on.
So there is a creek right there.
Yeah. So I think that's where it's at. Here's this little offshoot creek. On the GPS, right there is where it says that the spring is, and this little waterway kind of flows out of that spot, but you can't really see if it's like coming up out of the ground or anything. And this just kind of dead ends right there, but there is water flowing from this. I don't know. You got nothing but a hillside up there. So I think that's the end of our little spring search, we're going to head back to our vehicles because we just parked on the side of the trail where that gate was. So, whoa. Are you enjoying yourself? Run, 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 run. I'm going to make the claim that we found Rock Lake Spring. There was just a spot where there was really no other source of water. But there was water coming out of the ground and flowing into that creek. So I've declared that spot Rock Lake Spring. After returning to the Jeeps, we reviewed the GPS again and found a cool route we've never taken to a place very familiar to us. Yay, pavement! Yay, dirt again!
Funny, someone would be like, "Oh, that's
Flagpole
1990s
Knob. Been here many times, but I've never camped on the top on account of it always being constantly windy. But if you've never camped on a knob or a mountaintop, you should. Get it out of your system, say you've done it, then go find cover from the wind.
You're gonna have to put something over this. That looks good.
I would give them a couple more minutes. That is getting that's it. We're back on pavement and heading home. That's all I got. As always, thanks for watching. Leave in the comments, let me know like where your favorite trails are up in the George Washington National Forest, or what trails you've done, and you know, want to encourage you to get out there and explore. I've spent most of my time here. I just kind of stick to the same areas in the George Washington National Forest, and the more I start to branch out and explore that place, the more I find just, you know, I mean, it's just a huge expanse of Forest Service roads and stuff. It just keeps going further and further back in between Virginia and West Virginia places. A great place to go out and explore. It's a good place to go and explore if you got a good high clearance vehicle. So go out and explore, stay safe. When you get back on pavement, don't forget to take it out of 4-wheel drive. Thanks for watching.